Visual content is said to be one of the most important components when it comes to marketing for business. Instagram is such a visual platform. It cuts through the clutter and could help your property speak for itself. I'm going to show you in 7 steps how your property can benefit from the platform. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson. Let's look at some facts and figures about Instagram. Men and women are more evenly represented, with 50% of the active users outside the US. 2/3 are between the ages of 18 and 34, and the popularity noticeably drops with the older demographic. A free photo sharing app is available on iPhone and Android, allowing you the ability to share photos with your friends, and with Instagram, you can transform boring pictures into works of art. Instagram is all about creating images. How to understand Instagram for business in 7 simple steps. Although the Instagram 1 billion user mark is just around the corner, there are those wishing to still hop on the bandwagon to market their property. And this is for a good reason. The platform continues to roll out new business-specific features, and there's an audience waiting for you. How to use Instagram for business. At a glance, figuring out how to use Instagram for business might seem a little overwhelming. What am I supposed to post? What's a regram? Why is my stuff being ignored? Despite Instagram's many moving pieces, attracting followers and winning over new customers is easier than ever. It comes down to your strategy. The following are Instagram for business tips that will not only get you started, but build an audience that falls in love with your content. After the break from our sponsor, I will show you how to get started with Instagram for your business. Do you have an independent hospitality property, a hotel, resort, inn, or bed and breakfast, and at times feel overwhelmed with all you have to do? Do you find yourself doing everything from checking guests in, to marketing, to looking for the right people to work for you, to cleaning toilets and everything in between? What happens when things become hectic? Do you feel stressed? Do you find it difficult to plan for the future when your only concern is how to get the rooms ready for the new arrivals? So what can you do? You have to get organized. You have to learn the strategies that'll make you more effective. Wouldn't it be great to learn the techniques the big brand hospitality properties use and to work like you have a full organizational structure supporting you? If the answer is yes, your next question might be, how do I do this? Well, if you can make the time and have the extra funds, many universities and colleges offer hospitality training programs. Or you can learn from those who've gone through all your problems and see how they have streamlined their business. You can do this by becoming a member of the Hospitality Property School Group. The benefits of this group include helping your hospitality property to gain a clear vision, help set up your organizational structure, help set up your brand, help your social media strategy, help create an atmosphere to hire the right employees, help grow your business. The Hospitality Property School Group is designed to share knowledge, tips, and techniques to like-minded hospitality property owners and managers who might not have the benefit of having an entire organization to support them. If you are looking for ways to streamline your business, learn how to set up an organizational strategy, to hire and keep the right employees, and to increase your bookings and profit, then visit KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/membership-site and explore the Hospitality Property Group for an entire week for only $1. We guarantee you'll find tips and techniques that you can begin using right away to help start improving your bookings and profit. But don't just take my word for it. Explore yourself for an entire week for only $1. That's KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/membership-site. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Before the break, I said I was going to show you how to get started with Instagram for your business. Let's get started. 1. Fine-tune your profile from the word go. You can't do much on Instagram until you properly fill out your profile. Here are some of these principles based on Instagram's best practices. Profile photo. It's best to use your company logo as your profile photo so that people can easily identify your brand. Account name. Make this your business name, identical to your brands on other social platforms. Username. This can also be your business name. Note, your username cannot have any spaces. Website. This will be the only clickable URL on your Instagram page. Most businesses either use their website or a link to their latest promotional page. Bio. Your bio is where you will capture the attention of other users. You can either describe what your business does, hype up your website, or put on your property slogan. Bear in mind, you have plenty of room to get creative in terms of how you craft your profile. 2. Adopt a tribe mentality. With so many users and photos on Instagram, standing out might seem like an uphill battle. Keep in mind, you do not need millions of followers on Instagram to be considered a success story. Instead of worrying about boasting big numbers, it's best to approach Instagram for business with a sort of tribe mentality. Start small. Establish relationships. Engage with others one-on-one. In short, build your own tribe. Make no mistake though, Instagram is not an if you build it they will come platform. Businesses both big and small should focus on not only building their own followings, but tapping into niche communities where your target customers are already hanging out. How do you make this happen? Where can you find potential members of your tribe? Niche hashtags. Hashtags essentially act as a search function for Instagram to find relative followers and brands. This rings true for users and businesses alike. And again, tapping into your target customer means getting specific. For example, the hashtag hotel or hashtag bed and breakfast tag has literally hundreds of millions of posts behind it. Rather than tackle crowded hashtags, consider how smaller niche hashtags such as Seattle Family Hotel or Berlin Bed and Breakfast could help you realistically stand out. Similarly, location-specific hashtags are perfect for zeroing in on an audience in your own neighborhood. Think small is smart advice for brands trying to attract a delicate following versus swinging over the fences. Look toward your own customers. If your customers are already on Instagram, using them as your billboards is a brilliant move given the popularity of user-generated content. Incentivizing followers to tag you in their photos does double duty of showing off your property and signaling yourself as a brand that listens to its customers. Shouting out your followers create a sense of brand loyalty that most businesses would die for. The more you can show off your satisfied customers, the better. Make your activity count. Running your Instagram for business doesn't have to be a total time sink. Efficiency counts on any social media platform, and Instagram is no different. Serially liking posts, replying to comments, following relative users. Between these actions, as well as your own content calendar, it certainly pays to streamline your activity to save time. In short, anything and everything to do related to Instagram for business should be laser focused on your brand's goals for the sake of your valuable time. If you would like your own copy of Instagram for Business in 7 Simple Steps download, visit the show notes at keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com/KHDC135. 3. Publish goal-driven content. Here's where you should ask yourself, why am I investing in Instagram for my property? The answer directly influences your entire content strategy. And with so much diversity in terms of what you can post, pretty much any goal is fair game. Are you trying your hand at social selling? Are you trying to build some much-needed brand awareness? Are you trying to increase your bookings? Make sure that you post content that speaks to those goals. Instagram is about so much more than random selfies and snapshots. Haphazardly posting is not a viable strategy when it comes to Instagram for your business. Once you define what your brand wants to be, you can begin to better speak the language of your followers. 4. Craft your brand's narrative. What better way to captivate followers than by telling a story? The common thread between the biggest brands on Instagram is that they have some sort of narrative. Through imagery, they're able to speak to the interests and desires of their audience, receiving tons of love in the form of comments and likes. You don't need to be a master storyteller to create a narrative. You just need to let your pictures and captions do the talking. People should be able to glance at your feed and have a defined sense of what you're talking about. Having a defined narrative makes it easier to craft captions and choose between photos, all the while reinforcing your identity to people who might not be familiar with you. 5. Show off your product. At the end of the day, mastering Instagram for your business is ultimately about, well, business. That is promoting whatever you have to sell. Creativity counts on Instagram, unlike any other platform. Diversifying your content strategy while also promoting your product should be your endgame. Video content is insanely popular on Instagram right now. With the help of a wealth of Instagram apps out there, you can bring your product to life minus a massive budget. From authenticity to connecting with your audience, there's a reason why even some of the biggest brands on Instagram regularly regram photos from their followers' feeds. And again, not every Instagram photo needs to be meticulously planned and edited. The key to consistency is never running out of content ideas to keep your feed fresh and to keep your followers engaged and entertained. Is this making sense so far? Let me know by leaving a comment below. 6. Engage with influencers. By far, one of the quickest ways to rise up in the Instagram ranks is to establish relationships with influencers in your industry that already have a massive following. Getting a shout out from the right influencer can give your page instant credibility. The good news is there's plenty of free ways to connect with power users and have them mention your company. You can start by commenting on their photos or tagging them in your posts. When you tag or @mention someone on Instagram, they will receive a notification. After seeing your property's name pop up in their mentions a few times, they will become more familiar with you and more likely to connect. You can also connect with them on other social media platforms. A lot of Instagram users also use Twitter, which can be a better option to start a conversation. Don't be afraid to reach out to influencers and introduce yourself in a tweet. Let them know you're a fan of what they do and that you'd like to connect with them. Another technique that is not completely free is to invite them to your property. This approach is effective because you're offering value instead of just asking for something. Quite often, if they try your property and like it, influencers will more than likely post about it on their own. And 7. Tap into the power of Instagram ads. Last but not least, there are paid ads. Keep in mind though, unlike Facebook, it is much easier to get in front of people organically on Instagram. From videos to stories and beyond, sometimes paid real estate is just what you need to pop up in your ideal followers' feeds. Although not a must-do by any means, consider how Instagram is continuously promoting new features for businesses. By getting on their ads now, perhaps you can keep yourself ahead of the game before their next big thing for marketers rolls out. In conclusion, if you haven't gotten started as a business on Instagram, don't panic. With an active, ever-growing user base, Instagram has proven itself as a staple of social marketing rather than a flash in the pan. For properties with a visual story to tell and the desire to grow a tribe of dedicated followers and customers, there's a place waiting for you on the platform. Do you know about the 6-Day Challenge? We want to challenge you. The 6-Day Challenge is a free video series with many actionable tips and techniques that you can take and use to help improve your property's patronage and profit. Whether you're operating a 1-room bed and breakfast or a 500-room luxury hotel, there's always something new you can learn. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. It is important as a hospitality property owner or manager that you never stop learning. So what have you got to lose? Are you up for the challenge? Sign up below to get immediate access to the first video. If you like this video, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you're going to employ any of the procedures. You can support this free podcast by leaving us a review and giving a 5-star rating in the Apple Podcast Store or wherever you happen to be listening to it. Every review helps more people find the podcast. If you know someone who might gain from the video, go ahead and share it. Make sure to hit the like button. All feedback is appreciated. If you haven't done so yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for your attention, and let's continue to work together to put heads in your beds. Until next time, have a fun day. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.